Sit tight because I promise you're going to be falling off your chair when you see this. I have a tool which I've been experimenting a long time ago, but then I stopped using it for a while. But now when I come back, it's nothing like what it was before. Now, I have been struggling with a lot of times where I had videos from clients in some languages that I don't even understand because they service a particular region where they wanted to cater to the audience in a local language. So I wanted to come back, and then I struggled a lot with a lot of dubbing tools in the past where either the accent is not right, either it is at least not believable, because AI cannot definitely get the 100% right accent at this point in time, unless you're willing to shell big bucks. But there are some tools. Now there's this tool I come back to, and I cannot believe what I see. I wanted to test this out myself. It's a free account. You can do it yourselves. So what I've done is I've gone ahead to this tool called HeyGen, and then HeyGen has introduced a feature when I checked it first, it wasn't there. But now what happens is you can go ahead and convert your video that you already have to something in your language. For example, if you look at this feature where it says create a video, and then you're presented with these options. Now you can use this called as translate a video, where it translates to 100 odd languages. Now I couldn't believe what I saw, and it was surprising. So what I did was I uploaded a video. I will show it to you in my videos because I've already done that. So I've uploaded this video, which is about 1 minute 30 seconds odd. And then these subtitles were already done. So these are not something which the tool had come up with. Now I wanted to convert this into a language that I thought was relevant to me. So I uploaded this. It's about a 1.5 minute video. And if you're using a free account, you get a 3-minute free trial to try this yourself. Now I went to this option. Let's do it again. I'll show you the result here, but let me show you the process. So I went here, I said create a video. I said translate a video. It asked me to drag and drop. I can also use the YouTube URL. Here it automatically detects the language, and then I can choose a target language. I wanted to try it in a language called Telugu, which is a South Indian language, but it wasn't there. And after checking, I found that it may be in the upgraded version, because I've seen some people do it in the past. Now since this is not possible, I left this at auto detect. It is an English video. Thankfully I found a local language called Hindi, which is what is a national language of India. Telugu wasn't available. I think Tamil is another language that was available. So I'm just going to try Tamil and say translate. So this is all you have to do, right? Now when you do that, it goes into a queue. It starts finalizing those. I don't think this will be done because it has exceeded a 3-minute trial, I believe. So I'm just going to leave it at that. But I really want to show you what the output was when I tested it with Hindi. Now trust me, this is the part where you're about to fall off your chair because this was unbelievable. So I don't know if you can hear this, but let me play it, and I think it's playing from a headphone. So let me put the headphones close to the mic so that you can understand it better.
तमिलनाडु के तिरुचिरापल्ली की प्रसिद्धि का कारण सिर्फ
Let me play the original video for you so that you understand what I'm talking about. Where did that go? So this is the original video.
Ranganatha Swami temple of Sri Rangam is not the only reason that Tiruchirappalli in Tamil Nadu is famous for. Did you know that there is a Vaishnava philosopher and saint, Ramanujacharya, whose body is preserved at the temple after his passing in 1137 CE?
That's it, right? So this is the original video, which is in English. So this is the translated or dubbed version in a language called Hindi. So listen to this yourself. The volume is at full.
तमिलनाडु के तिरुचिरापल्ली की प्रसिद्धि का कारण सिर्फ श्री रंगम का रंगनाथ स्वामी मंदिर ही नहीं है.
Now here is where it gets interesting. It just did not translate the language and dub the voice. It actually gave me, it just gave a voice. I mean, it just gave a lip sync that is so bloody believable that I could not believe what I saw.
क्या आप जानते हैं कि एक वैष्णव दार्शनिक और संत रामानुजाचार्य, जिनका शरीर 1133 ईस्वी में उनके निधन के बाद मंदिर में संरक्षित किया गया है? ऐसा माना जाता है कि संत के निधन के बाद उनके अनुयायियों और भक्तों ने उनके शरीर को मंदिर में बैठी हुई मुद्रा में संरक्षित करना चाहा. यह मिस्र जैसी अन्य सभी मम्मीकरण प्रथाओं से अलग है क्योंकि वहां शरीर.
This is crazy, guys. And the best thing is it sounds believable. It is my voice. It has actually dubbed it in my voice. The pauses are pretty decent. I wouldn't say this is 100% conversational because some dialects and the words that are used is purely how great authors have written in their books. It is not something which you speak colloquially. It's not a colloquial language, but otherwise it's just brilliant. Right? You can modify it here. Let's see if we see the language here. No. So this is Telugu is only available in the updated version maybe. So this is amazing. I couldn't believe what I really saw. You can even enhance your voice. You can remove or add the lip sync, right? So this is just brilliant. So if you have not tried that already, it's time for you to try. Trust me, this is amazing. Cheers. See you in the next video. My name is Casey. Cheers.